Oh, come on. I have to get this for the Bachelorette party, right?
Please don't. Please don't do it.
Are you excited, Poop? We're on an adventure. I'm trying to start my vlog. I feel so sweaty, you guys. Oh my gosh. We have been running around like crazy. We were gonna be on the road earlier, but we were at the house. The floors are looking good. They're looking great. There's an issue with them being kind of red. I'm hoping it turns out, I don't know how I hope it turns out. I hope it turns out. Anyway, not so red.
Not salmon.
It's salmon right now. They're red oak floors that we like peeled back and we're like, those are really kind of pink. Woo! Okay. So we are off to Austin. James is doing a boys trip while we do Bachelorette weekend with nurse Erika. We will be reunited. We will be having a fun time pre-wedding, and who doesn't love a little road trip and a little getaway? So I thought I would film, and off we go.
Grocery store.
Buc-ee's. He's like a koala.
Oh, that's a gopher.
It's a gopher? I thought it was a beaver.
It's a beaver, you're right.
It's a beaver. Look at this random bird. What are you doing, bro?
What are you doing? Get out of the road.
Where's it? No.
Thank you.
He's so doing the koala. Pookie. You guys, are you kidding me? Everything's bigger in Texas. Legit.
Tati, world famous jerky.
Ooh, where?
Right there to the left.
Oh, come on. I have to get this for the Bachelorette party, right?
Please don't. Please don't do it.
Can you imagine? Oh my gosh. Room check. We have a bathtub. I am so excited. Are you excited, Poop? We're on an adventure. This will be used. I have not had a tub in a long time, actually. All right, what else we got? Mini living room situation. We're at the W. This is cute. But honestly, wait, where's the light? Where's the light? Where's the light? Oh my gosh, why can't I not figure this out? Hello. There's kind of a light. Okay, the room. But I really just want to, ooh, hi Austin. Cute little view. I'm dying to just go and see Erika, so I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so it is now past 10 and the girls already were all out to dinner by the time I made it here. So I am sitting here all by myself. James literally was like, oh, see ya, because my brother-in-law is here, which is like so good. We are both happy to be here together, but we're like, we're not gonna see each other this weekend, go have fun. So now I'm literally sitting here alone. I ordered some room service and I'm just contemplating my life, and I'm wondering why do I do the things that I do? Why did I think it was a really responsible and good idea to remove gel polish myself and then take one of those tools that's literally like a buffer and try to actually mimic what they do in the salon? Do not do that. Do not make this mistake, you guys. I'm concerned for the life of my nails. I'm not even joking. This is the worst they have ever been It's borderline painful, so I think I'm gonna be all natural for a while with the nails. Let me know in the comments, do you guys have a nail hardener that you recommend? Obviously, I have hair skin nails that I can take. I'm gonna switch from kiwi, which I always tell you guys, I take kiwi. I don't want my nails to grow too fast, but now I'm gonna make the jump just to get some biotin back in my system. That always helps strengthen the nails. So I have hope for that, but in the process time, like of waiting, like, are you kidding me? What have I done? Oh, my foot's here. All by myself. Okay, let's see here. I wish my husband would come back. I'm gonna eat his food. No, I won't. Ooh, okay. Tacos. And that is my husband's. That is not mine. I cannot do gluten. This, more like it. There's my dinner. Yay, gotta love that gluten allergy. So I'm gonna eat up, hopefully go stalk the girls, and yeah, that's about that. Level up.
Level up. Level up. I'm out. Peace out.
Wait, Sabrina, why do you have this thing where whenever you go on like girls trip, you want to sleep? You're like, I'm away from the kids. I'm going to bed at 7 o'clock.
Because I don't have kids with me and I want sleep.
No, she's like, she doesn't want to like go out and party. She's like, I need rest. Wait. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that. Okay, good night.
I legit want to steal these shoes.
Ooh, oh my gosh, these are Steve Madden. I'm gonna copy you. Look at these. And they are comfortable. I mean, I can do things in them. I can run, I can walk fast. Like I can go sideways.
Do you like those?
I love these. They're durable, they're high, they're not too high. They're everything you would need from a shoe. Oh my gosh. That is the best thing I have ever seen. And then straight to this. The most dramatic party ever. I got a hat, you guys, and some amazing shades to wear. And we have full time. So excited. Wait, work it. One more try. There you go. We have free gift with Cabana purchase sunglasses. Loving. Just living our best. She needs some makeup. We are going to dinner. We're wearing our custom-made tank tops. I think they say something like Rowdy Crew or something like that. Really funny. I had a nice pool time. The hair got all sorts of greasy, messy, windy, all of that. So I'm sleeked out now. Gonna slap on a little makeup, maybe a little lash. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling a little something. I brought, I was gonna say high heels, but really they're wedge heels, which really is not a high heel, but it kind of is. And for me, it's exciting because I have not been out in public to a nice dinner in a hot minute where I actually wore more than just flats. So the excitement is real. That's where we're at. This is my new thing that I do. I put a skincare thingamajiggy on so I don't get foundation in my hair. A little extra? Absolutely. 100%. But it works. gosh, that was too much. It's a beautiful evening. We are walking to dinner. I did not do like the makeup final look outfit check because mad dashing out of the door, but yeehaw, we are getting rowdy. We are off to barbecue in Texas. What did you order? Just a hot sausage. What? A Texas hot sausage. A Texas hot sausage. Wait, did you get anything else? I did not get to show you guys an appropriate look at the super cute outfit situation, getting rowdy. Larissa had these made for all of us, and then of course Erika had her bride one. But yeah, I gotta say, these shoes, these are Jimmy Choo's. Let's get this makeup out of that. This is where I'm like, I'm not a good vlogger because I'm just like kind of a mess. Ignore that. You don't need to know. Don't need to know, but now you do. I'm not always organized. These shoes are Jimmy Choo, and they were a pricier purchase, but you guys, we walked to dinner and I was concerned that maybe after not wearing heels for so long that they might be a problem, but they are so comfortable. I cannot even believe how comfy they are. I still legit want to order the Steve Madden ones, the glittery ones that Erika has. But oh my gosh, how happy am I to actually be in nice shoes and, you know, like living life. So yeah, so this was like the easy, cute little outfit, mother denim, all my typical normal jewelry I always wear. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna wipe it all down, wipe all the makeup off, go to bed, and start again tomorrow. The festivities will continue. Oh my gosh, I literally look like a mom that's like, don't let the kids open the presents without me. Wow. I look legit like, ooh, she's tired. But look, Puka got a pup cup. You got a pup cup. You've never had one of these before, and I'm so excited for you.
Try the pup cup. Do you like it?
Do you like that? Oh my gosh, we're on vacation. You have treats. He's like, I don't know about this. This is like,
But maybe we go easy on it because he's never had dairy.
Uh-oh. I know, I don't really know how good this is for dogs, but
Okay,
but that's cute. A puppuccino.
Good boy.
Pookie, did you like it? Tell me about it. What do you think? How do you feel? Oh, you look about as rough as I do right now, dude. Good morning, my love. Oh, he wants more. He's like, that was delicious. I don't know about you, but when I wake up in the morning, like I can't barely open my eyes. And like, I feel like one eye wants to open more than the other. It's not cute. My face is all like creased up. This is like the harsh reality of my life. But you know what I'm good at? A makeover. So let's get the makeup on. This was a lash and dash when all else fails and you have no time to get it together. You are tired, you are traveling. Do not put on any, and I mean any, eye makeup. Just grab those lashes, bump, bump, little gloss, little bronze, and you look pretty done up, right? Yay, success. So this was a fast get ready and we are off to brunch. So we're at Reformation and I'm gonna try on some really cute dresses because you know we're going to Florida, we're doing the whole wedding, so I have these 3. And I noticed, okay, cool if they have an iPad in here if you wanna like add more to your room. Check it out, golden, cool. What is sexy time? Ignore my nails. Oh. Okay. All right. Actually, I'm gonna keep it. So I have Puka here, kind of freaking out. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Puka, you're okay. I know it's all good things must come to an end, and we are leaving. We're headed back to Dallas. I have you know, wild things to share about last night that don't really involve, actually not even really, they don't involve the Bachelorette festivities. I ended up forgetting my phone at the hotel, so I didn't get to capture our last night, and came back and James had been out with my brother-in-law and they rented scooters and they had been out and about all day long in Austin having the time of their life. And apparently on the way home, which I'm that kind of wife where I was like, you know what? I don't like this. I don't like that you are going to be scooting home and it's Saturday night, super late, and it's a busy city. And you know what? He got hit by a car, and it sounds really dramatic because it was, but the way James explains it is the car broke his landing, also caused the accident. It wasn't James's fault, but he kind of like went on the hood, I guess. It sounds really terrible. I was horrified. His pants were all like scraped up, like dirtied up. His knee was a little bit swollen. He's better this morning. So yeah, so the end of the vlog ended up being me not on my phone at all, and a kind of dramatic end of the evening. James is a trooper. He is so good. He's not complaining at all. I'm the one that's like, maybe you should go get your knee checked out. So we'll have to wait and see just how he continues to feel, but he says he's fine. I just think that sounds terrible and awful, to literally get hit by a car. So you guys, those e-bikes, be careful at night. Just, ooh, I don't know, they freak me out. Do you guys love those? Do you not? I've never ridden on one. But anyway, we are waiting for James to grab some Starbucks. We have like a 3-hour drive ahead of us, and it was just an awesome weekend. I'm so happy that I got to be here with my sister, meet some of her friends. I'm sorry I didn't capture more of like all of us together, but you know, there are girls that do not do the internet and don't, you know, they have a private life, and I don't want to just be like camera in the face the whole time. So yeah, so this was a fun, just kind of peek into my weekend, something different. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know. I am going to be off to Florida for the wedding. Should I capture me doing Erika's makeup and some of the behind the scenes of the wedding? Let me know if you guys are into that. Give the video a thumbs up. I love you all so much. Thanks for hanging out. And Puka, good job not barking, dude. Good job. All right, I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.